So I got the motor out, obviously, and I got the picking arm removed from the steering box right here. Connects down here on the bottom. I got that disconnected. I got the shock tower mount out of the way. Just gotta take the bolts out of the bottom. Got the shock down there at the bottom. I gotta get this is out of the way, but where they plated the back, gotta cut that plate out to get the bolt out. And then the front axle will be ready to come out once I get the shock unmounted. Figure out how I'm gonna get that bolt out. Probably have to cut this plate out, but oh well. And then the rear end, I'll take the leaf spring mount off on both sides and disconnect that brake line. I'll probably go ahead and take off the U-bolts from the leaf springs, make it easier to roll around. I got one of the 4-link off. The other one's stuck in there. I gotta figure out how to get it out. I love rusted up trucks. But yeah, and I gotta get what's left of the steering arm out. But it's almost down to bare frame. Ready to go back together. Took the cross member out for the transmission too. I gotta have it for the other frame. Clean it up and paint it as well. I'm gonna paint the axle, both axles, suspension components, and probably put her back together. Oh, and I had to take this plate out. It was right here, so I can get to the back of the leaf spring bolt. There's a crack. Instead of welding the crack up, I just decided to put a plate in it. Makes it easier that way, I guess. I already got one shock off the back axle. I just got to take it off right here. It's coming along fairly simple. Most of the bolts are just breaking off anyway. Oh, I forgot about that. One of my steering arms has got to come off too. Yeah, I better get that off too. But I'll catch back in when I'm fixing to pull the axles off. Alright, so didn't record much, but at the blocks and the rear end blocks, the front control arms, and the leaf spring shackles painted. Also got the rear end painted and the front end painted. All I got left is the leaf springs, and I think that's it. The leaf springs, oh, and the coil springs to paint. I'm waiting on all the bolts to come in for the leaf springs and the control arms. And I can start getting everything put together on this frame. I've got part of the wire harness to the back run, but not all the way. Not all the way down. Here's the frame. Wasn't much holding it together. broken. And there's the cab and the motor. And the only thing holding it together was that plate down there. Yeah, just that plate holding it together. Can't get the gooseneck hitch off because it's stuck on there. But that's about all I've got done. Or wait on bolts and then get it put back together.